So welcome to another Jon Swings. Last week we had three pairs. There have been more higher risk trades, and I haven't been a big fan of them, so I didn't take them. As you can see, USD CAD no, ADCHF no, and the CAD JPY is kind of like playing out right now. However, yeah, the daily is bearish. It's kind of like left head, right shoulder a little bit. Yeah, weekly time frame is still bearish, having the push, first initial push. So we'd have the move to the downside next week. Could come back, retest the 4-hour area of interest. So I think this is a good trade. Now, do I think I want to trade ADCHF or USD CAD? I don't think so. USD CAD is gonna have a more larger pullback before we do anything. It looks like Bitcoin, kind of like a couple of years ago. So yeah, wanna wait for that. Now, weekly time frame ADCHF, it's kind of like coming back, also rejecting this area. I mean, yeah, the daily doesn't look as clean as it can get. I don't know. I don't like ADCHF, but I think if we can break under this daily, this is now 4 hour of area of interest. I think we would be good because then we still have three time frames in sync. We really want to have three time frames in sync, honestly. We don't want to have anyone in that bullish. So if it breaks under, closes, retests, maybe the EMA comes here, then we can take the sell. So it's gonna take but this is gonna take multiple days for it to play out. And we're not gonna take this one on Monday. This is what I can say for sure. We're not gonna take this on Monday. For sure not. So as we said, ADCHF is gonna be at the bottom. Oh wait, we wanna keep this, right? It was CAD-JPY, I think. CAD-JPY. So we wanna keep these on the watch list because none of these are gone. I think only except USD CAD, right? So and drop USD CAD because this is just at the highest point right now, really, and it's gonna take couple of days. Do you want to trade this week? Probably not, because no, you don't want to trade in the highest point, bro. Just fuck this. CAD JPY though looks good. Daily is bearish also officially now, so this is actually a better trade now. CAD JPY looks even better right now, and as you can see, it's a respected level. We have won a trade last time. We rejected this area. Now the same thing is happening just over here. We are at the same area of interest, same level, same psychological. Is it psychological? Yeah, it's psychological. So it's always a good sign that, hey man, we are rejecting the same level of resistance again, and now we can sell this market. We have a perfect pattern. We probably even have like a head and shoulders on a 4-hour time frame, but no, we don't have. But yeah, this is it. GBP NZD right now. Weekly time frame on GBP NZD is, yeah, weekly time frame. So we get weekly time frame coming back to this area of weekly time frame coming back. Okay, looks good. GBP NZD looks good as well. All right, daily time frame. Weekly time. Oh no, was this the monthly, bro? Oh my God, I accidentally clicked on the monthly time frame. So weekly time frame, bro. Great. It looks really, 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 really good. However, the last lower highs are here. So daily is bearish, making it nearly impossible for us to take anything. Yeah, so we could take a trade because right here, around about here, you can see it's kind of like rejecting right here, but like it's not ideal. It's not even an area of interest, I think. If I would drag this here, we would have like 4 hour of interest, kind of like. No, we actually wouldn't have it. Shit. Yeah, so we are fucked, boys. We are fucked. However, if I drag this to here, then we would have it, right? So this could be an area of interest, but it's not good. It's not ideal. It's not ideal, to be honest. So if this would break above, this wouldn't give us enough indication that this is actually bullish. Do you know what I mean? Like, I mean, lower high. Did this close below? Bro, oh my God. No way. We actually are bullish because then this would be the new higher low. Then this would be last lower high. Oh my God. Okay. I take everything back what I said. This is not the last lower high. This will be the last lower high because this has closed below this structure. As you can see, this is close below. So this is, we do the snake trick, come back, and the first snake trick is not up here, it's up here. So therefore, if we close here and we retest, then it will be ready to go and the daily will be full. So I just type that in. I just have to check if the weekly is actually bullish. But you just gotta ask yourself, okay, how likely is it that we're gonna have a retest off of that one? I just think that maybe we're gonna come back even here, retest this level of weekly structure point, and then maybe have a push because I don't think it's realistic that we're just gonna open. It's not really realistic, so watch weekly time frame. That's what I would say, because we need more signs of rejection. That's what I would say. I don't know about you, but that's what I would say. I would just gonna watch it. GJ. The lowest point doesn't look like we want to trade this, honestly. Move happened. This is in Euro JPY weekly time frame is lowest point. Daily time frame, lowest point, rejecting weekly time frame. Does this still have potential? This is the question, right? Does this still have potential to go to the downside? Yeah, could have, but like also going into daily area of interest, so you don't want to sell into daily area of interest. This is just in GBP USD weekly time frame. Lowest point 34, 34 weekly daily. Nah, lowest point. USD CHF is bullish at resistance. Bullish highest point. No, this is no. AUD USD lowest point, weekly, daily also lowest point, everything lowest point. Man, it becomes so fucking easy at one point. It's supposed to be simple, it's not supposed to be complicated as well. Right, so Euro NZD had push, kind of like a retest. Didn't retest any structure level really, had a little push, rejection candlestick. Does look very, very choppy, in my opinion. It's not even retesting any structure point, right? Not a previous structure point. So we want to wait for it to come down a little bit more to give us like more, to just do something more than just stay in that area, man. Like now, weekly time frame on, oh, now it's doing something, right? That's what Alex would say. Yeah, crazy. All right, so let me drag that out to the right. Yeah, so weekly looks good already and had a push, right? But this is now gonna have weekly pullback and then we have a push. We're gonna have the retest first before we have any push, right? So I would say is no for now. Let's just fucking wait because this could just keep dropping. All right, Euro GBP at the highest point, really. Daily time frame also highest point. Not interested. NZD USD at the lowest point. Daily time frame having pullback, but no. NZD CAD had the pullback. Okay, this looks good. Okay, okay. Coming back, kind of like went through that. But yeah. CAD at the lowest point. All right, so weekly time frame at the lowest point. It looks similar to, oh no, just the wrong pair. Sorry. Yeah, I had the pullback weekly time frame. Now, kind of like rejecting this area of interest, if you want to call it one, right? We'll drag this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we are currently at an area of interest. However, this one here is also good. It's also very respected, and I don't know if I want to enter a trade right here if we can have a larger pullback on the weekly, right? We can have one because who knows if this might be the elbow. This might be the elbow because this is gonna be larger rejection. So therefore, I just want to wait. I just don't want to trade anything because daily is forward. Yeah, forwards and bullish anyways. But daily is actually bearish. But do you want to risk it? Like, I don't think so. I don't want to risk anything on this trade. I don't want to risk my money. We might not even get any entry right here. Ideally, we want to have the 4-hour turn bearish first, so close above here and then take a sell. But I want to wait for a larger pullback, honestly. So yeah, Euro AUD. weekly time frame. UAD weekly time frame is at the lowest point. Coming back to that area of interest, and daily also looks good because it has a rejection candlestick also to the downside and to the upside, which is good because now we can take a trade. Weekly time frame is still bullish, so this is good. So showing a sign of rejection, taking it into account as a area of support. Now, daily is actually bullish, bearish. Now it has to close above here to be bullish again. So you don't have really 3 hour candles in sync. Okay, 4 hours bullish. 4 hour and weekly are bullish. However, wait for daily to turn bullish. This is what I would say because, bro, the weekly time frame looks clean. It looks clean. Looks like we could reject that area again. If we would turn the daily into bullish, it would look something like this. It would open, right? The weekly time frame would open. Then we'll come here, retest, and then we go. But this is all gonna happen in 1 week. Like, yeah, we can have entry this week, right? It could do this, and then we go and we enter or whatever. So we could do one rejection one day that engulfs everything because we had it here as well. Could happen, right? Could have a large candlestick and then having the pullback and then waiting for the shift of structure and then taking the buy. And I think that's what I want to do. So yeah, this is it. USD are like Euro USD right now at the lowest point, daily time frame, daily for yeah. Wait. So entity JPY on the weekly time frame is at the lowest point. Daily time frame also at the lowest point, kind of like. But yeah, I don't know. I don't want to trade this, honestly. I think UJ would be the same. Oh, daily looks good as well, I think. Ah no, it looks like it's reversing on the daily. Wow, also would yeah. This would be a counter trend trade only, so not for me. AUD JPY looks also like that we're having a move right now. So daily time frame is also having head and shoulders, whatever. And 4 hour. Okay. GBP right now, GBP cat time frame, daily time frame. Oh yeah, I like this one, but it already happened. So you can see I took this trade. Let me just share you FTMO. And also I've journaled that, I hope. GB cat, yes, I journaled that. So let me show you FTMO right now. So this one, and I took GB cat, okay. So this is my account. Took GB cat. So we stick to the plan. Oh, we stick to the plan, boys. Okay, let's summarize again. All right, so we have everything the same besides Euro AUD because Euro AUD is rejecting, and we want to wait for a break and retest. So weekly bullish, daily bearish, 4 hour. Yeah. Okay. 4 hours also bearish. Shit, dude. Okay. 4 hours also bearish. Nice. But yeah, this is the only market that I would consider because weekly and daily bullish, I would be good. I don't need the 4 hour, bro. Weekly, daily are good. But need to wait for some price action first. Obviously, like that's common sense. Then I will keep the same pairs. It doesn't look like we have to trade anything next week. This is the type of shit I want to trade, and I want to lose also. Don't get me wrong. This is only the type of trades that I want to take, not win. There's a difference between taking a trade and winning a trade, if you get what I mean. So this is what I want to trade. Head and shoulders, area of interest, EMA Pro, perfect. This is yeah, perfect.